How's it going?
It's fine.
Hey.
Hi.
So Christian's not coming tonight, so we can get started whenever you get there, Shanthia. I think Crystal's already up and running. My attack box is taking its time.
I'm ready now.
Okay, I'm trying to get my life together. It's not, my attack box isn't spawning, so I'm pulling up my Kali machine in case it decides it does not want to get it together. I take it you guys are not having issues with your attack box launching.
No.
No. Nice thick card stuff.
I had a feeling that was going to happen. All right, you guys can get started anyway. So the first thing you're going to do is run nmap on your target machine. So you guys can go ahead and get that started. And it wants to know what protocol and service is running. So I would probably add like a flag to this, like, oh look, yay. It heard me about to go on without it. So maybe like SVC, maybe. What old deprecated protocol and service is running? So we have 3 ports open, SSH, Telnet, and RPC bind. So Telnet is 6 letters, so I'm going to guess that that's the service you're talking about. that worked. All right, connect to the service to see if you can make use of it. You can connect to the service with a standard command line client named after the name of the service or netcat with syntax like this. All right, so we're going to telnet into that machine. Port from the Nmat scan, which is 23 is the default port, so I don't think we need to put anything in there. We left you cookies and milk. Hi, Santa. We knew you were coming and we wanted to make it easy to drop off presents. So we created an account for you to use. Username Santa, password Claus Christmas. If only everything was this easy. All right. So we are in, we should be in here as Santa, I would guess. All right. What credential was left for you? Just the password. Okay, so that was Claus. All right, looks like you can slide right down the chimney, log in and take a look around, enumerate a bit. You can find files and folders in the current directory with ls, change directories. Often to enumerate, you want to look at persistent system information like the version of the operating system or other least information. So there is a program in here and cookies and milk. Let's see what's cookies and milk. The Grinch. I, the Grinch, got here before you did to help myself to some cookies, but you can still enjoy some happy eating cookies in this leftover milk. Why don't you try and refill it yourself? Yours truly, the Grinch. All right, and then it wants us to know what version of the operating system. So I cannot see in here. All right. So this is Ubuntu 12.04. That looks, and it looks like the LTS is not needed. Okay, well, all right, this is a very old version of Linux. This may be vulnerable to some kernel exploits that we can use to escalate our privileges. Take a look at the cookies and milk that the server owners left you. You can do this with the cat command as mentioned earlier. Who got here first? So we saw that it was the Grinch. Wait, let me see. It's just Grinch, I guess. The perpetrator took half the cookies and milk. Weirdly enough, the file looks like C code. The C code is a portion of the kernel exploit called Dirty Cow. This file looks like a modified rendition of the Dirty Cow exploit, usually written in C. Find a copy of the original file online and get it on the target box. Okay, so we need I think the easiest way to figure out the file that this was stolen from is just to take a piece of it and I'll just take this. Let's see if that gets me something. Dirty Cow exploit, GitHub. issues. dirtycow.c. All right, let's see if we can just find the dirtycow.c file. And I'm going to look at the raw version of this and just copy it and pray that it pastes into here. It says you can do this simply file transfer method like netcat or spinning up the PyCon and copy and paste into a text editor. Okay, well, I think I've already decided that I'm copy and pasting since I already copied. All right. So we shall call this dirtycow.c. And then press I to insert, right click, hopefully paste, and then escape :WQ to get out. Tab in here.
And the raw file that you got, that was from GitHub, right? And the
Yes,
name
it
was
is.
Ngaro?
It was from dirtycow.github.io.
Can you paste that into the chat? The link?
Yeah. Oh.
Thank you.
You see me about to paste the whole code, right? About that life. All right.
Thank you.
No problem. Dirty cow. Okay. It's in there. So now what do we need to do? We already did this. We copied it over. You can compile the C source code on the target with GCC. You might need to supply specific parameters or arguments and to include different libraries. Thankfully, Dirty Cow source code will explain what syntax to use. So, oh, here we go. It does in fact tell you what syntax to use. I called it actually, I'm just going to edit it in the thing. I called it Dirty Cow without the 0. Maybe that worked. Let's see. So now there is a dirtycow.c and a dirty cow program. So I think that I should be able to just run the C target file new content. Is it just, do I not need the dot? Not found. Oh, it says, what is the verbatim of the taken from the real source code? So it wants to know what this GCC thing was, I think. Uh-oh. What is the verbatim syntax you can use to compile taken from the real C source code comments? Use dirty.c name as given in the source code. Oh. Use the dirty.c name as given in the source code. GCC -p thread PTHRE. Oh, that's too long. So maybe this is not the right. And the source code comments. This is not a test. Did this work for you guys?
I'm still I just finished copying.
Oh, the follower.
Yeah.
Shanthia, where are you at in this process?
I'm just finishing up copying.
Oh, okay.
And after you copied, you just highlighted that GCC and you pasted into the.
Yes, after I copied, I just took this GCC and I changed it because I named my file Dirty Cow with a lowercase o instead of the 0.
Okay.
And then it says, actually, we're supposed to do /dirty cow. So I'm not sure. W. Usage, target file, new content. Oh, okay. So I need to put an output of some sort. Dirty cow. And then say dirty. Usage, dirty cow, target file, new content. Dirty, oh, okay. So it says the target file, I need 2 file names, dirty cow. And my file is called dirty cow .c. And the new file we're going to just call dirty. Let me see if it needs anything specific. Moo. Okay. So it's doing something. But this might not be the right file because the GCC is not working. It says, what is the verbatim syntax you can use to compile taken from the real C source code comments? GCC -p THRE. I think it's too long. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's right. dirtycow.c. Oh, it wants the whole, the full thing. Okay, I see. So once GCC -p thread dirty cow C -o dirty. Let's see if that works. Oh, still not right. All right, but this finished. So let's see. Run the commands to compile the exploit and run it. What was the new username created with the default operations of the real C code? What was the new username created? Let's see, cat. See, that was how this was supposed to come. I said process m something in map something. What was the new username? Run the commands to compile the exploit and run it. So I think I ran it. And of the real C source code.
When I run the when I try to do like the dirty cow thing, I'm getting errors on the strings. Is it because I probably pasted wrong into the thing?
It's possible, but it's also possible that this is not the correct file, because like I said, this is still not working. Use dirty.c. Your answer is not correct. So let me just take another. Did we ever do anything with the Christmas and Christmas? Let's see. This is just the file from, okay. All right, so cookies and milk, dirty cow. So let's open up the dirty cow.c. This is, let's see. The original one that we had was cookies and milk, so. Oh wait, what does this say up here about etc password? All right, let's say view exploit. dirtycow.c. And let's do dirtycow.c. And let's look at the raw text. This is probably not it either, because there's no comments at the top that say. Let me go back in here. Consistent file name, etc password, backup file, temp backward, password dot back. maybe this is it. All right, let's try this. All right. Oh, let me send you this. This is from someone called Firefart. Maybe this is correct. Oh. Let's say V. I'm just going to make a new file. So let's say VI 30COW.C. I'm going to just paste what I just found from Firefart, maybe. Arrow. So what do? We have to compile it, and we compile it with this GCC here. Let me try that. Dirty.c. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so this must mean that it's the correct file because that worked. So let's do that in the we actually called it dirty COW.c. Did that work for you, Crystal? The new one?
I'm trying to exit out. It says no string on the cursor, so I'm trying to like exit out underneath it.
It did for me.
It did work for you, Shafia? Okay. All right, so that worked. It compiled anyway. So now there is a dirty file, and I'm going to say -- dirty. And let's see. To run the created binary, enter by .-dirty. Okay, so that looks like all we need to do. Enter the new password. Oh, okay. So it created a new user with the name Firefart. I'm guessing that this is cookies. So it says, what is the new username created? Let's Firefart. Okay. Oop. It's still running. It said switch into that new user account and hop over to the root directory to own the server. You can switch into user accounts like SU and then I guess Firefart. But I think we need to wait until it finishes. Did it finish for you? Shafia? Yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
Let's see if this will let me do this. Firefart. Oh, okay, that worked. So change directory. Let's see where I'm at now. I'm in Santa. So change directory to root and ls. And what am I doing over here? Hop over to the root directory to own a server. Okay, there's a message that's called Santa. Oh, this is a folder called Santa. That's where we just were at. Hmm. I'm in here. So it says sudo to Firefart. I'm in here. Hop over to the, say, root instead of just. Oh, okay. There's that same program with the tree and then a message from the Grinch. So let's see what his message. Nice work, Santa. This house is dirty. I think they deserve coal for Christmas, don't you? So let's leave some coal under the Christmas tree. Let's work together on this. Leave this text file here and create the Christmas and leave the Christmas.sh script here too. But then create a file named coal in this directory. And then inside of this directory, pipe the output of the tree command into the MD5 sum command. The output of the command, the hash itself, is the flag you can submit to complete this task for the inventive. All right, so we need to create a file called coal in here. And then we're going to, there's a command called tree. And we want to pipe the output of that command. Okay, so tree into MD5 sum. I feel like that's what they mean when they say pipe it in there, but let me just see. Hint. Be sure to make a coal file, not a directory. Oh, I made a coal file. All right, let's try this. Or maybe it means, I'll try this, and if it doesn't work, then, oh, okay. This looks like a MD5 hash if I've ever seen one. Oh, okay, yay. All right, so are you guys there?
Yeah.
I follow. I'm still onto the compiling, but I'll be fine because I'm watching your live.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, so I hope it does not disappear. I will try to stop it appropriately so it doesn't process for the next hour.
Okay, thank you.
All right, if you have any questions, just shoot me a DM or in Slack or something, okay?
Okay, have a good night.
You too. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.